cool in here. Found the gelato. It smells really good. Let me try to describe it. It smells like Italian bread. Ooh, it looks like this is a coffee shop. Nice. Why it smells like bread. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? All right, and oh, I think I found desserts. It's a stir fry. He's doing a stir fry. Pastas. Hello. Thank you. This is mac and cheese. Foods. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. I missed it. Look at this. Yum station. Look at this. Oh my God. Jesus. This is the land. Okay. Free. That's nice. And a salad bar. Okay, then chef's favorites. Oh my goodness, what is that?
Oh yes.
That's grilled tilapia.
How many one?
Okay, tomato soup, grilled vegetables. And look at this mac and cheese. Oh my God, they're trying to kill me. No, I'm not. Shepherd's pie. Looks great. Pork parmesan, fried chicken, holy camole, roasted potatoes, stew. Oh, I see my favorite, paella. Oh my God, look at this paella. Yeah, just stuff that I love. Everything looks so good. More salads. Oh, I guess they can make a sandwich for you. I think I was over here, but let's see. Roasted beef and hello, roasted pork, roasted salmon. Thank you. Well, I didn't mean to get anything, but I got a bunch of stuff. And of course, they made me my frozen margarita. Yeah, pizza I missed. Tonight is Rooftop Garden. I'm trying not to be self-conscious about eating alone tonight. Okay, maybe a grapefruit drink. I'm not sure exactly what. This is the caprese, and this is what is it called?
Train wreck fries.
Train wreck?
Yes.
Train wreck fries. Oh, okay.
This train is all the way from Sagway.
Okay. This is the filet mignon. This is the mason jar s'mores. Beautifully fresh baked cookie. Look at the melting ice cream. Oh, look at that. It's very hot. I can't eat it yet. An Irish coffee. Lunch. Okay, I am at Raw and 5 for lunch. So I got the chicken gyoza. Looks delicious. So this is one of the tower options.
This is the Chateau Tower.
Thank you. So this is the green roof tuna roll, which is a spicy tuna. And I also got the nigiri special, which was salmon, tuna, and yellowtail.
Full spicy mayo and eel sauce.
Sorry, that is the Petit Chef and family.
Wonderful lamb salad with a portion on the top and some asparagus. We hope you enjoy.
Beautiful, thank you very much. So I bought the alternate menu item, which was the lamb salad. I have to eat, so I can't show you all the animation while I'm eating. The lamb salad, really delicious, amazing food. So I got the alternative meal again on this one.
You're gonna have the wonderful duck with the red cabbage butter sprouts. Enjoy, bon appetit.
Thank you.
Cassia bake with the olive oil.
Thank you. It's the bread. So this course too is to die for. Amazing. So delicious. I've never had duck that tastes this good.
Brownie with vanilla gelato.
Beautiful. Thank you.
But sometimes love is really big. And sometimes love just pretend.
We are being seated at the fine Cut Steakhouse. Normally we would not be wearing these silly wigs. It's very fancy. Thank you.
If you like the filet mignon, it's very tender. However, we have the ribeye, which is tender, juicy, and more flavors. Why? Because of the marbling.
Yeah, I usually don't like that. So I'll go, I guess I'll stick with the film. We already have all the sides. That looks delicious. It's just regular butter. You look perfect, thank you.
Okay, so this is a wine that we're having for tonight. Alta Vista Malbec 2019 from Argentina, Mendoza. Kind of wine that we enjoy in this fine cut restaurant for our steaks. Okay, it's a medium body wine that we offer every night in every single restaurant on board. We're having steaks tonight, right?
Yes.
So this is a perfect pairing for the wine for the dinner tonight.
So skilled. This is the ahi tuna.
Not California.
Thank
Raspberry
you.
martini that our friend Shapiro from Thailand made special for you.
Aw, tell him thank you. I really
I will
appreciate
show you
it.
Tamat soon. I hope you like it.
Thank you. That is my beautiful filet.
Very good.
Lovely. Wait, how? That's the New York strip. This is the filet. Oh, we got two of everything?
Yes.
Oh, when did we do that?
This is the Gruyere tater tots.
Oh.
This is Gruyere cheese,
Ah,
mashed potato, and the creamy horseradish.
and that's fries.
Right?
That looks beautiful too. They need 3 people to bring us our food because we ordered so much.
You have some satay spinach. Smoked bacon mac and cheese.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
We're gonna try it, eh?
We ordered everything.
We got some parmesan truffle
Oh,
pie here.
nice.
And one more here.
Oh my god, you brought us 3 of those?
Yeah, because you want to
Oh.
Black truffle butter,
Oh,
red wine sauce. It's not bacon, it's Bernaise,
thank you.
and the creamy okra.
Oh, we asked for half portions for me and my dinner partner, Jason Newquist, who is absolutely fabulous. If you want to follow his YouTube, Saganaki, and this is our escargot. This is the French onion soup, which looks delicious. Everything has been really yummy so far. So I have to tell you that I was in Strasbourg last week, and the French onion soup was so disappointing. There was no cheese. It was just not to my standards. This is like the best French onion soup I've had in such a long time. Really good, and we're not even in a specialty restaurant. Regular restaurant, complimentary. Great job, celebrity. Thank you.
Yay.
Black coffee.
You don't
This
get
is the cherries jubilee. Like, show me the cherries. Oh, look at that. Delicious.
Yummy.
The wonderful PR department, Rachel Shapiro, is taking us out tonight. This group of rock stars, including Kennedy, who is also head of HR for Vowell-Ramirez. So Normandie is one of the complimentary restaurants, and this one is French.
You were asking me.
No, this is what.
I was like, yep.
Oh, that's gotta be.
Oh, I've had it. You can
That's good.
It's fine.
I will have it. I think I had this the other night. Oh, that's the brie cheese? Yeah. Oh, that's the brie, and that's the potato and gruyere. The beef carpaccio looks delicious. I have to have my escargot again, especially in this beautiful French restaurant.
There, you know, it's like I knew I was going to
Is the French onion soup, if you get it in, what was it, Le Bistro? It's a larger, different soup that Trapper says is fabulous.
like, hey, Daddy.
This is my chocolate cake I'm having tonight. And this is the white chocolate mocha. It looks delicious. Everything here is at the main dining room for the Cosmopolitan restaurant for lunch today. Because we are having our awards luncheon for the winners of the BDM Awards, which is what I got, the Game Changer Award. So my wonderful BDM is Karen Hermann, the star of the show today. So we're going to have some wonderful lunch in the main dining and show you what it's all about. All right, so they have a lot of food. I mean, I hear the chocolate mousse is awesome. They also give you a choice of waters. If you are on the premium plan, you can get an Evian water as part of the plan. But they also have ice water, still water, sparkling water. You're offering? Sourdough and a French baguette. Sourdough, please. Sorry. Oh, thank you. So this is the creamy mushroom soup. He made me a special drink with grapefruit juice and vodka.
I will like everybody.
The satay, that is an appetizer starter, but it doesn't usually come with the rice. But my friend Karen here says it is fabulous. Thank you. I got the panini. Beautiful panini. And I had an amazing mushroom soup. It was so good. Mousse, and this is that an apple tart? Oh, a pear tart. Beautiful pear tart. And this is my gorgeous chocolate mousse. I'm going to eat for you because I know you really want to see what I
now has a new face. Same company, same trust, same whatever, new name. Because I do everything that makes you dream about your next cruise vacation.
Service was exceptional. What kind of creme brulee was that?
Banana.
Banana creme brulee.
So, you stood up for me. You got my rice.
What's your name? Elmer. Elmer is like the best waiter in all of Celebrity Cruises. this is the tomato soup. It's very smoky smelling. Beef Wellington.
12.
One of my
Exactly the same.
Well, mine is well done.
Finishes. No, but I mean,
That is the lobster
Like,
tail.
you
So
have a
you can
different-
say, hey, I like the lobster tail. Can I get that with my beef Wellington? And sure enough, you can. Is that butter sauce?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Lovely. I want to get a
Mashed potatoes.
There you go. Butter. Last night I had the chocolate cake and everybody else had the opera cake and I really wanted to try that. So I'm going to try that, but there is a baked Alaska too. That is the opera cake. This is the baked Alaska. My video because this pizza has been just delicious. Of course, it's like all gone now, so I can't show you. I'll show you how they make it over here. It's fresh made pizza. And since I used to manage pizza places, I totally know good pizza when I see it. And this is great pizza. It tastes really good. The ingredients are fresh. And they even made an egg one with bechamel sauce that was absolutely delicious. So come to the back of the ship because back here, oh thank you, you can go out here on this deck, eat, and it's the best place in the whole ship to get the best view while you have your lunch or dinner. So gorgeous out today. What a perfect last day. It's very sad. Today is the last day of the cruise. We have about 10 hours left and then we're back in Florida again. Hi, getting ready for Thanksgiving here on board with some turkey, roasted pork, salmon. Lunch is looking delicious as always. This is the Mast grill. They have burgers, turkey, hot dogs. I've heard the burgers are really good. That's it. So I'm a Chicago girl. I have to try the hot dog. No fries. Can I get some pickles and tomatoes? That's it. Oh, a little relish, I guess. Oh, and can I get some mustard on it too? Okay, we'll see how they do. Pool bar is hard at work. I'm starting out with a strawberry daiquiri frozen. Thank you. All right. I'm gonna let you watch me today. First drink of the day. Delicious. Okay, let's see how this hot dog is. I cut it in half so I can try to eat it and bite it from here. Well, it's not my Chicago chardon, but it's pretty good. I'm here at Raw.
Welcome to Raw. How was your day? Had a good day today?
It was a good day. It's a sad day. It's our last day.
You look kind of sad.
I am so sad.
Don't be.
That's why I'm here.
You'll be back very soon. I have a feeling that
Yes.
very soon back with us.
You're right. I will be
And
very
you
soon.
know what? We'll be right here waiting for you. My name is Steve and made the deal for 15. My boys are all here to take care of you. However, I'm here as well. There is anything I can do for
Thank you. Sounds wonderful. Have all men taking care of me tonight. Thank you. Aw. Is the hamachi. Beautiful. Sashimi and nigiri. Is their desserts. This is the Japanese roll cake. It has like a red bean taste, right? Thank you. And my coffee. Very much. All right, so for your last morning, you can fill up as much breakfast as you want. Take some in your pockets. Take some to the airport for your trip. They're here to make eggs, of course, and all the usuals. Oh, hi. Hi, thank you. through that way. Hi. So here you've got your eggs and your more, just more stuff. I'm gonna stop trying to tell you what everything is. They are gonna be shutting down, it looks like really soon. I think it's almost 9. And this is the eggs your way area. I think I've shown you all this before, but just in case, you can order your omelet or your eggs however you'd like them right here. Hi. Deli, there do have locks. Whew. I am not at all hungry, thankful. I think they've locked me in. So I need to go find my coffee before they close that down. Bye guys, have a good next trip. Coffees here that you can take, thankfully, and tea, and just milk, hot water.